So I would like to welcome from Swasth Vriksh Foundation. Please come on the stage to give the presentation.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. May all be happy. A very good afternoon to one and all. I'm Dr. Deepika Chandok, founder president of Swasth Vriksh Foundation Nagpur. With me here is Mr. Abhishek Chawla. He's our founder vice president of SVF Nagpur, and we have our youth president Ankush Bijewar with us. So ladies and gentlemen, we are here not only to represent the work of our foundation, but more than that, we need to speak about a very burning issue. So today, when we have our Honorable Prime Minister speaking to Bill Gates regarding an important health issue, we have people like Sudha Murthy giving a maiden speech in the Parliament regarding something which is very important for women healthcare. Can anybody tell me what that issue is about? Anybody? Absolutely. So the topic, the issue, the burning issue today is cervical cancer. And as we all know कि cervical cancer का नाम हमने आजकल गए एक साल में काफ़ी सुना होगा, but the sad part is कि इसके बारे में awareness बहुत कम है. And we as Swasth Vriksh Foundation have been working on cervical cancer since the past 2.5 years. ये बताते हुए मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है that SVF Nagpur, we are a group of more than 100 doctors and professionals of Nagpur. Or the reason we started working on this is because we had two ladies who were very close to us. एक corporator lady थी और एक gynecologist थी. We lost both of them to this cervical cancer. और उस दिन हमें लगा that let's do something sustainable for the society and something which would last with the woman till the last breath. So what is this cervical cancer? हम यहाँ वहाँ कभी टीवी पे कभी कोई पूनम पांडे का आपने सुना होगा, उसने बीच में एक न्यूज़ आई थी कि पूनम पांडे की डेथ हो गई है सर्वाइकल कैंसर की वजह से. दैट वाज अ वेरी वियर्ड स्टंट. उसकी एक्चुअली डेथ नहीं हुई थी, बट उन्होंने जस्ट टू डू सम अवेयरनेस शी हैड डन समथिंग लाइक दिस. पीपल लाइक जानवी कपूर एंड ऑल दीज पीपल आर नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. तो क्या है ये और क्या हम इसके लिए कर सकते हैं? सो लेट मी टेल यू, सर्वाइकल कैंसर एज वी ऑल नो इज़ द कैंसर ऑफ द सर्विक्स. सर्विक्स मतलब जो यूट्रस का माउथ होता है उसको सर्विक्स कहते हैं. और विमेन में सबसे नंबर 1 कैंसर कौन सा है आप सबको पता होगा? Absolutely, breast cancer. So the second is the cervical cancer, and soon it is said that it is going to replace breast cancer because it is growing at a very rapid stage. Last 5 to 10 years में हमने देखा होगा कि suddenly हम सुनते हैं कि women का hysterectomy जिसको कहते हैं uterus removal बहुत बढ़ गया है, and lot of women are also losing their lives. It's very surprising that in India every 8 minutes, one woman is losing her life to the cervical cancer. And it is even more shocking that if we talk about the global deaths, पूरे विश्व में जितनी deaths हो रही है उतने उन deaths में 27% deaths are occurring only in our country. So we are bearing 1/4 of the mortality rate of cervical cancer in the entire world, and this can be easily controlled and this can be easily stopped. So what do we do? First thing that we have to be aware. So the next 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, we are going to speak, of course, about the process, what we do. But more than this is more of an awareness session, because I assure you that these 8 minutes are going to save the life of at least one lady, one girl, one female in your family. So cervical cancer is, like I said, the cancer of the uterus. इसमें होता ये है कि it is caused due to the HPV virus. HPV का full form है human papilloma virus. This virus is present both in males as well as females. So cervical cancer is basically a sexually transmitted disease. ये जो HPV virus होता है ना, like any other virus, almost 90% of the population will encounter this HPV virus sometime in their life. तो होता ये है कि HPV virus causes pineal cancer, anal cancer in men and cervical cancer in women. So why are we focused only on women? Because ये cervical cancer की जो तादाद है ये बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है. The problem with this disorder, this disease rather, is that जो symptoms आते हैं वो stage 3 and 4 पे आते हैं. So stage 1 and 2 पे अगर कोई symptom ही नहीं है, और स्पेशली हमारी जो भारतीय महिलाएं हैं वो थोड़ी आज भी हेजिटेट करती है, गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट के पास लगता है कि घर के नुस्खे कुछ कर लेते हैं एंड द प्रॉब्लम विल सबसाइड. सो देन द वुमन व्हेन एक्चुअली शी हैज सिम्टम्स, इट इज ऑलरेडी एट stage 3 and stage 4, and that is the point where the uterus has to be removed and lot of women lose their lives. Apart from that, the financial burden is extremely huge on the entire family. The mental agony is a complete separate part. So basically this disorder, this disease, yes, it is sexually transmitted, but the good news is, the good part is that it can be easily controlled. अब मैं महिलाओं के लिए बताना चाहूँगी, above 25 years जो ladies है, उन्होंने एक चीज़ करानी चाहिए which is known as the pap smear. Right? It is a vaginal smear which is mandatory, and this is only the test which will give you the symptoms of the early disease of the cervical cancer. Now let us talk about the the hot topic, you can say, the cervical cancer vaccine. ये होती क्या है? Cervical cancer vaccine is a preventive vaccine, right? जैसे हमारी चिकन पॉक्स वैक्सीन है या तो फिर पोलियो वैक्सीन है. सो आगे होना नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में, इसलिए ये वैक्सीन दी जाती है. Now what is the age group? Again 9 to 45 years में ये वैक्सीन दी जानी चाहिए. According to the WHO recommendations, this vaccine has been readily accepted, available and given since the past more than 20 years all around the world. Countries like US, UK, the women, more than 96% women are vaccinated, and it is very disheartening that in our country less than 1% women are vaccinated for cervical cancer. When we talk about the vaccination, 9 से 20 का जो एज ग्रुप है, 9 to 20 years, a single dose is recommended by the WHO. When I say a single dose, it is an intramuscular vaccine. 2 से 4 सेकेंड लगते हैं ये वैक्सीन लेने के लिए. 0.5 ml is the vaccine dose which is given. This one dose will confer more than 95% immunity. इसका मतलब ये है कि 95% से ज़्यादा चांसेस है कि उस लड़की को कभी लाइफ में सर्वाइकल कैंसर नहीं होगा. If the female is about 20 years of age, that is 21 to 45 के बीच में, the WHO recommends 2 doses which is 0 months and 6 months. As in अगर आज वैक्सीन ली है तो दूसरा डोज 6 months के बाद मिलता है. Generally the focus right now is on young girls, क्योंकि कहा जाता है कि before marriage or before they are sexually active, if this vaccine is given, the impact of the vaccine, the immunity development is much more. Now let us talk about the most important issue which is the safety. बहुत लोग हमें पूछते हैं being doctors कि is this vaccine safe, क्योंकि कोविड ईरा से हम लोग जिस गुजरे हैं, and every time we utter the word vaccine, people compare it with the COVID, right? So let me tell you, like I said, this vaccine has been safely given since the past more than 20 years. More than 96% women in 96% women in developed countries are vaccinated, and if we talk about the safety, it is completely safe. As opposed to the COVID vaccine, if we compare, COVID was an emergency, we all know. So with minimal research, the vaccine was launched, which was pretty decent, but yes, 0.1% people might have some side effects. But this vaccine has absolutely no side effects. This is not me talking, this is the World Health Organization, and there are various studies which have been published. इस वैक्सीन लेने के बाद भी 99% फीवर भी नहीं आता है. अगर किसी बच्ची को फीवर आता है तो विद इन अ डे इट इज़ सॉर्टेड. Also, after taking this vaccine, generally as our NGO we do give a certificate. So मैं urge करना चाहूँगी कि कभी भी आप ये वैक्सीन लेने जाए तो make sure that you have a certificate from the gynecologist or the pediatrician. The cost of this vaccine actually is high, especially for the low socioeconomic. The cost in the private practice is around 4,000 to 8,000 rupees, which is absolutely unaffordable to the tribals and the rural population. So we as an NGO feel the need कि जहाँ एक्चुअली ज़रूरत है, जहाँ ये लड़कियाँ वहाँ तक नहीं पहुँच सकती और हाइजीनिक प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं है, उन तक ये वैक्सीन पहुँचनी चाहिए. एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड टू शेयर विथ यू दैट टिल डेट वी हैव वैक्सीनेटेड मोर देन 13,500 अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड ट्राइबल गर्ल्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. थैंक यू. And we have created awareness for more than 65,000 female beneficiaries. The struggle is still going on, and the main struggle, let me be very honest with you, is the cost of the vaccine. क्योंकि awareness, yes, we being doctors हम लोग aware करते हैं, लेकिन आज government भी इसको launch इसीलिए नहीं कर पा रही है because the cost of the vaccine is high. But the good news here is that this year Nirmala Sitharaman ma'am has announced that they've given a budget for the cervical cancer, and in bits and pieces the government is starting with small vaccinations as a pilot, and slowly they are going to cover, which is going to take probably more than 20 years. But yes, we have to be very hopeful. Just a request to all of you sitting here, we have females in our family, we have relatives, we keep posting on social media. Please make sure every female in your family between the age of 9 and 45 is vaccinated for cervical cancer, क्योंकि इसके symptoms late आते हैं, it is spreading like wildfire, and this one vaccine can completely save the life of a female. This is something which will stay with the girl, the lady, till her last breath. So please get your family vaccinated. Now I would like to call upon my co-founder Abhishek Chawla sir for the further proceedings. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Yeah. Sir, above 45, the effectivity of the vaccine is not much. So pap smear is recommended above 45 years. Ji.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would also like to request Shri Dinesh Agrawal ji, kindly come on the stage and please be seated. And Shri Pushparaj Dalal ji, you also please kindly come and join on the stage.
So moving ahead, yes, it is a burning issue. और हमें पता है इसका इलाज क्या है, इसकी प्रिवेंटिव वैक्सीन क्या है, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट क्या है? वैक्सीन मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, वैक्सीन लगाना इशू नहीं है. वैक्सीन बच्चों के कन्विंस करना ये वैक्सीन लेना is the most difficult job we are facing in the rural and tribal parts, because we do need the consent of 9 to 20, at least 9 to 18 years of girls. We do need the consent of their parents to get this vaccine for their child. So this is one of the most difficult part. And 2.5 years ago, when we have started this initiative, we faced the challenge and we vaccinated only 100 beneficiaries a day. Then we realized that it is not just a vaccine which help us to eradicate cervical cancer, but of course awareness is also one of the major challenges. Then we have developed a very robust model as a Cancer Kavach initiative, and we have built a strong SOPs, standard operating procedures, because we have decided to eradicate this cancer, cervical cancer, all across India, not just Nagpur, not just one rural area. So we have developed a very 12-step process flow from need analysis till the feedback, awareness, the cold chain management of the vaccines. Again, the data of the beneficiary is again very important. So we collect each and every data, we linked it with Aadhaar card, we provide them with the certificate for their lifetime references. So with this 12-step process, now we have developed a roadmap to make Nagpur as the first cervical cancer shielded city of India, and we are on our way. And of course, with the help of CSR, these are few photographs of our awareness camp. Next. So this is how we conduct awareness as various schools and colleges, Nagar Parishad, Jila Parishad houses. Next, this is our vaccination camp. The vaccination camp conducted with all the safety measures, quality assurance, the cold chain maintenance of the vaccines. Next. Next. So, a few prestigious projects we have conducted at Western Naval Command, Pench Tiger Reserves, and many more. So, of course, we do not do this for the media publicity, but yes, we are getting good appreciation from media houses. So, almost more than 32 media houses cover our initiative, and they publicize, which helps us to spread the awareness and our noble words to the society. And finally, our association with CSR partner is of course a boon for the society, boon for the girl, and we thank all our associates in a very short span of time. All the CSR partners and corporates have supported us in this initiative, and we would like you to come forward and support our initiative, because it is not just Swasthya Foundation, it is each and every household, it is the duty of each and every household, houses, males, females, to spread these words, to safeguard our girls, females of this dangerous cervical cancer. And lastly, yes, what is our vision about Viksit Bharat? We are taking this one issue as in sync with the government of India, that by 2047 we will eradicate cervical cancer completely out of India, and this is our vision of Swasthya Foundation. Thank you so much. कर्मणैव अधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. कर्म करते चलो, फल की इच्छा नहीं करना है, and that's what we are doing for the society. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you to IIHR for honoring us with this award, and this belongs to each and every member, volunteer, associate of Swasthya Foundation. Thank you so much.